Idadaulwan tayo ti Legislative Department in accordance with what is required of a Legislative Department. Nagitirebeng na nga maadresan, priority items, ti administrasyon, katrebeng na nga sisusuporta iti Legislative Department. But that doesn't mean nga istampad Legislative Department, hindi ket di maadal, nagiti pagsayaatan, nagiti pros and cons, and it is very fortunate that napintas pa nagkikinnamayad dagiti membro iti Legislative Department, agpapada kami nga mang suporta kadagiti ganwat iti Executive Department. Tano awan iti nasayaat nga panagkamayet iti Legislative Department ken Executive Department, adu dagiti maitantan nga programa iti Executive Department, and that is very important. And as I've been saying, I presented myself to be the Vice Mayor, the presiding officer, to craft the necessary needed ordinances and resolution for the progress of the town Sarrat. Well, nadumat na kita'y so far in request na, and everything has been acted positively by the members of the Sangguniang Bayan. And I would like to inform everybody that ang direksyon kasi ni Apo Mayor Ralph is to accelerate yung digitalization ng ating bayan. Kasi as far as he's concerned, when we are discussing yung kanyang priority programs, ay kinakailangan niyang may accelerate yung serbisyo ng bayan in terms of digitalization. Because this is also the priority program of our national government under the administration of President Bongbong Marcos. And we can only progress if we are in consonance with the direction of the national government. Narigat iti agbibiyag pa lang iti old age nga makunkuna. Hantay ng ibaga nga alisto iti panagprogreso, hindi kan di adu dagiti opportunity nga mabalin nga maipaay kadagiti kailian tayo. And if there is a unity or unison in the direction of the Legislative Department and the Executive Department, at adu dagiti baaramin tayo nga pagsayaatan iti ilitay nga Sarrat.